Hello, everyone. I'm Kimi. I'm the co-founder of CanBOML. CanBOML building Energent.ai. And Energent.ai is your AI teammates that not only help you think, but also do. Let me start with a little bit of background about myself. Before this, I was a researcher at Google DeepMind. I trained the Gemini model with the core Gemini team. And the reason why we gather here is because the transformer paper, right? It's like because the transformer paper, which is actually the backbone, then people are actually able to build all the foundational models. And I'm very close to all the transformer paper authors. Some of them left Google, some of them came back to Google. And then since I've already left, I haven't seen them for a while. And then I want to ask Energent AI to help me do something. I want to ask Energent AI to help me say hi to them on LinkedIn. But in order to do that, I have to log into my LinkedIn first. But considering I don't really know whether they're still my first connection or not, I have to get Energent AI to actually help me look through the transformer paper, see who are the authors, and then getting their LinkedIn message, go to LinkedIn, and help me check whether they're my first connection or not. And then while I was actually talking, I'll kick up the job. And then this job will take about 3 minutes. If it failed, I'll show you guys a history. If it succeeds, and then let me just say a hi message to all my previous coworkers. Some of them might already return back to Google. We'll see. So this is Energent AI. And then before I kick it off, because I have to let it script LinkedIn, I have to log in LinkedIn first, right? Now, how can I do that? The way we're doing that is we equipped our AI with the ultimate tool, which is a computer. Let me just close this one first, because I have to log into LinkedIn. Let me open browser first. Let me type in LinkedIn. Oh, I haven't logged in LinkedIn yet. Let me continue with Google. Oh, actually, I think I made a mistake. I should actually do sign in with email. I think I already signed in once before. So, OK, now I'm signing it in. And then, OK, consider I'm already signed it in. I'm just going to close this. I'm going to let Energent AI do the work. Let me show you the prompt a little bit. So basically, what I asked the AI agent to do is, OK, look at the paper. I know these people pretty well back in days while I was working on the Gemini project. Actually, before Gemini project. They all left before the Gemini project even started. And then help me do a Google search using this pattern. And then after you do the Google search, make sure you click into everybody's LinkedIn. And help me check whether they're my first, second, or third connection. Eventually, help me compile to a table. And then by checking whether they're my first, second, or third connection, I know whether I can send them a hi message directly or not. I copy this message. I paste it here. Let me just kick out the job. I don't want to distract you with what the AI agent is doing while I'm talking here. So I'm going to move to a different tab. I'm talking. So you can hear me. All your attention is actually on me, right? Well, think about it. Before this, how are you going to do it? You probably say, hey, let me go to ChatGPT. And then you will say, wait a minute. I cannot really log into my LinkedIn. How do I know whether they're my first connection or second connection or third connection, right? You will say, OK, screw it. Just tell me the steps I have to do to actually get in all this paper's profile, right? And then what are the steps I have to do? ChatGPT will probably tell you, OK, go read the transformer paper, see who are they, go to Google, Google it, and then click the LinkedIn page, right? You will say, screw it. I don't want you to actually tell me what to do, right? Just do it for me. And then you prompt ChatGPT, and then the problem is sometimes the result is just slightly off from what you want. And you end up doing is you're actually begging the model to like, please, right? There's so many interesting prompts say, hey, if you do it right, I'm going to give you $1 million. Sometimes the agent doing better. Sometimes it do even worse. So what's the problem there? The problem is we're actually missing the ultimate interface for human and AI to collaborate on top of chat. And more importantly, besides just the interface, you need to equip AI with the ultimate tool, which is the computer that we're all doing. And then by equipping AI with a computer, now you're not just using AI. You work with AI. It becomes your AI teammates, not just help you think like what ChatGPT is doing, but also do by equip it with a computer that you are sharing with it. And then, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the era of vibe working. Before I left the stage, I want to go back to the agent. Hopefully, I already talked for 3 minutes. And let's see what the agent is doing. If it's not, I'm going to show you a video. Or I'll point to the person who actually built the backend in our team in the audience, if it doesn't work.
So much suspense.
OK, it's still working. It go to Ashish Waswani with the first author of Transformer paper. It takes a screenshot of what's happening here. And I think it extracts some information. We'll see what's going to do. And then go to Nam Shazir, who is actually the person I admire the most at Google. writing so many great papers. And then look like Norm is actually my second connection. I'm surprised. I saw we're already connected. And it go to Nikki. Okay, hopefully it's going to click Nikki's LinkedIn. Okay, it does. It take a screenshot. Oh, I'm surprised Nikki is actually go to Anthropic. I'm just kidding. I know Nikki went to Anthropic after he left his startup. And then, by the way, just for time's sake, I only asked you to actually script the first 3 authors without doing all the 7 authors. Okay, look like it finished the job, and let's see how it does. Okay, here's the initial attention paper. It actually download it and parse it. And then look like here's the results. It passed. Let's see. Look like Ashish Waswani is actually my first connection. Okay, great. Look like Norm Shears is my second. That's weird. Look like Nikki is actually my first, actually. Okay, interesting. And now because the task is done, I can go back to this computer and check. Is Norm actually my second connection? Oh, actually, look like Norm is. Let me send him a connect pin. Okay. Look like I already reached my limits. It's actually run in the data center. Okay. Look like I already reached too many people today. That's about it. Actually, in order for doing this demo, actually I disconnect myself with Norm. So I'll probably send him a text message tonight and apologize to disconnect with him for this demo and connect with him again then. Thank you. Welcome to the era of vibe working with your AI teammates.